Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be drawing wide receiver Cooper Kupp of the Los Angeles Rams. Cooper Kupp had a great season, finished second in the NFL history for most receiving yards in a season with 1,947. That's just 17 yards shy of Calvin Johnson's 2012 record. So good job, Cooper Kupp. You're exciting to watch. We love football, and we're excited to draw Cooper Kupp in a fun cartoon style for kids. And so here we go. Grab your black marker, and we're going to start off with this thin point. Find the middle of your page with your finger. Middle of the page. We're going to start his head up on the top half. Here we go. So we're going to draw kind of an out, down, out, and up. So it's kind of a sharp shape. Goes down sharp, and this is because right now Cooper Kupp's wearing this big beard. So here's some ears, and side of his head. Okay. Right here we're going to draw kind of this hook shape. That's his hair, and then a big up and connect. Okay. So what we did was we did this hook, big up, and we connect it to the side of his head. All right. We're going to draw kind of this teardrop shape for his hair, and we're going to bring this hair over big, couple of curls down, and connect. All right, so that kind of shows the shape of his head. Let's bring the neck down to the V, shoulders, slant down, shirt down to the waist, connect those. All right, so now we're going to draw the little cartoon legs. Funko Pop style, big head, little body. Couple of rectangles for the socks. Now let's draw these big feet. So the tongue of the shoe, tongue of the other shoe. 1, 2, 3 laces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. And then bring this big kind of clown looking shoe over and connect it to the ankle. Do the same thing here. We'll drop down, come across, okay. We'll draw some cleats. Cooper Kupp's a fast, speedy, shifty receiver from Eastern Washington University, the Eagles, up near the Spokane, Washington area. It's kind of cool to see a small university represented by such a dynamic and good wide receiver in the NFL. So congratulations, Eastern Washington, Spokane area. All right, let's draw his arm coming out here. So we'll draw the bicep, the forearm. This is thumb coming up to the finger and connecting to the arm. And back here we'll draw a couple of other fingers hiding, and they're actually holding onto this big football. Okay. And let's go over here and draw his other arm. We'll have it kind of flexing a little bit down here. Bicep, coming down. Let's make him like holding a fist shape. Alright, so we've got the outline of Cooper Kupp right here. Let's draw some eyes. We're going to draw these big circle eyes like we do for our Funko Pop characters. 1, 2. We're going to give him the blue color instead of coloring in black only. We'll draw a circle for the highlight. We're going to leave that little circle white and maybe actually bring in a little black. How's that? And then we'll color in the rest of his eye blue since he's got blue eyes. Alright, we'll draw the number 10 here in our fast forward, and we're going to give Cooper Kupp this blue Rams jersey, yellow or actually the gray Rams pants with yellow stripes, some blue shoes, and follow along. Feel free to pause. We're going to fast forward as we color in now. And thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.